In this video, I pulls back the curtain. Step by step, he shows how he built this data ecosystem from the ground up. Before I could walk the data line, he had to map it. From scattered pieces to structured insight, he transforms lived experience into a working data model, revealing the story behind his symptoms and the system behind his progress. What started as a tangle of cause and effect slowly sharpened into clarity. This ecosystem map is not just a diagram. It brings I-'s lived experience to life, not just as data points, but as daily realities. It's his day-to-day, visualized. Each node in this visual story represents something he feels, tracks, or acts on, from sleep and stress to stretching and spasticity. And every connection? A clue to what might help him walk stronger, steadier, and with more confidence. The map is actually a network of paths. This path, for example, shows how stress cascades through sleep and balance, ultimately shaping I-'s overall well-being. Here's a different path. It shows how stress can ripple forward, impacting sleep, mood, and motivation, until it ultimately shapes I-'s strength, balance, and stability. And a third path shows us how reducing stress improves sleep, which supports better nutrition and healthier body weight, enabling more effective stretching, improved balance, and ultimately, greater overall well-being. I-'s data ecosystem isn't just a model, it's a storytelling engine. Each thread in this web of connections reveals a unique cause and effect chain. Here we see 4 distinct storylines, each one a personal narrative hidden inside the data. When you break the big model into these bite-sized pathways, suddenly, the complexity becomes clarity. Living with HSP means navigating more than just symptoms, it means untangling a web of cause and effect. What you see here isn't just a data model, it's a reflection of I-'s own neurological wiring. By deconstructing his health ecosystem, we uncover the nodes, links, and pathways that echo the neural networks impacted by HSP. From scattered inputs to structured intelligence, this is the architecture behind the insight. The map did not materialize overnight. I- had to develop many versions, each step a closer approximation of how spasticity, balance, mood, medication, and movement are connected. This is what it looks like to turn complexity into a model, and a model into action. For I-, it all comes down to one threat: falling, injury, and loss of independence. In another video, I- reveals his risk register and risk treatment strategy. So far, I- has mapped out the what, the key players in his personal data ecosystem. But now, he's asking the next big question: how strong are these connections? Not every arrow is equal. Some push harder. Others barely nudge. In the next video, I- dives into the how much, exploring correlations, patterns, and signal strength. Because understanding your condition isn't just about connecting the dots, it's about knowing which dots matter most.